Opposition leaders have told the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla that without the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, there will be no discussion on the NEET issue in the House. This comes after opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, KC Venugopal, Akhilesh Yadav and Supriya Sule, met with Om Birla earlier today. All right, let me go across to my colleague Anand Singh, who now joins us with more on this. Anand, we are getting to know that the opposition leaders met Om Birla. They have sought the resignation of Union Education Minister and said that there will be no discussion on NEET until they get the resignation.
The opposition leaders are very firm on their demand, and even as today, leader of opposition in the Lok
Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, along with his party MP from Kerala, KC Venugopal, and several of the opposition leaders, including Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav, NCP SP leader Supriya Sule, they all had met Om Birla at his chamber, even as the stalemate on the issue of NEET paper leak and police excesses on the students have continued to stall the parliament proceeding for the fourth consecutive day. So, given the fact that the way in which the opposition leaders made a demand with Om Birla that there should be resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and without his resignation there is no discussion going to take place in parliament, and this is the demand on which the opposition leaders are very firm, and they are completely united to put forth with this demand during the talks with Om Birla, and this is what Congress General Secretary Organization KC Venugopal said after meeting with the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. As we have seen in the past 4 days that how the opposition have stalled the parliament proceedings, especially on the July 20 police access on the students when they had tried to march from Jantar Mantar to parliament, when the tear gas cells were fired on the students, when they were lathi charged brutally. And this is the demand that leader of opposition has been raising. He even sat in on protest outside Prime Minister's residence demanding resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. And we have also seen that how Rahul Gandhi addressed a press conference at the party headquarters, keeping forth the three demands that has been put by the student. That is, first, Dharmendra Pradhan must go. Second, all the officers who ordered and executed the orders from the top, they should be made accountable. And third, that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi must apologize to a student the way in which police brutality was carried out on the students. Back to you, Shivani.
Right, Anand. And when we are looking at, the disruption in the parliament, obviously we are not seeing any business of the house also being conducted because of these disruptions, Anand.
Yeah, even as the government has said earlier that it is ready for holding discussion, but the opposition has remained firm on their demand that first the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan should happen, because they have alleged that Dharmendra Pradhan has completely failed as education minister, and they have cited the data that in the last 10 years more than 152 paper leaks have happened, due to which the future of lakhs of students have been completely lost. So the Congress party is saying that the way in which the paper leaks are taking place across the country, the way in which 20 students have committed suicide, someone has to be held accountable, and that the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan is a must. And this is the way in which opposition has put forth their demand, despite the fact that the government is saying that they are ready for discussion, but the opposition also stand firm on their demand of resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan first, and then only any discussion can take place. Even Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president and leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, he has yesterday in the upper house very categorically mentioned that they want to invoke Rule 267 for a detailed discussion on this particular issue, but the chairman of Rajya Sabha has said that this is one of the rarest of rare instances when this section 267 is invoked. Thus, the opposition parties have been putting pressure on the government that the government should take accountability of the paper leaks, and they must take the resignation of Pradhan. And but the government is saying that the opposition parties are now politicizing the entire issue, as the government is ready, but they are every time changing their goalpost. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Anand, for all those details. We are now shifting our focus to Karnataka. All right. We have